Have you ever experienced the pressure of reoperation because of prosthetic issues such as screw or abutment fracture? Introduce ESR Kit designed to solve a variety of prosthetic issues. In case of screw fracture occurs, the fractured screw can be removed by using ESR Kit. Connect the SR drill with the fractured screw. After making a hole for drilling on the fractured screw, turn the SR tip counterclockwise and remove the fractured screw. Also, after using the reverse drill, connect the screw holder on the fractured screw. Then, turn the screw holder counterclockwise to remove the fractured screw. In addition to screw fracture, the ESR Kit can be used for removing the fractured abutment, repairing damaged thread of implant and screw hex slip. Try ESR Kit, designed to solve a variety of prosthetic issues.